All right, so I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I do first thing in the morning for skincare. Got myself dressed for the day. I just got some warm water. I'm just gonna go all over. And I'm gonna dab it just a little bit. I'm gonna use our cleanser. I have 3 boosters in here. It's pore minimizing, hydrating, and I think brightening maybe. So I'm just going to cleanse my skin with this. So I didn't fully wipe the water off. Just kind of, so it wasn't dripping everywhere. And I'm gonna do the same thing again. I would use in the washcloth if I had done my laundry. So there's that. And now I'm really gonna dry it off. So get that good and dry. I always then use my rose water. This is really good for redness, dry patches. So before I started using products, I had really bad dry patches right here, really splotchy, and it was really red. This is my saving grace. So just literally shake it up a little bit. I mean, it smells. And then I have a lavender one, then that's the one I put on at night. Lavender really relaxes me. All right, and then I'm gonna kind of let that air dry for a little bit. And then I always use my day cream. At night, I do a very similar routine. I do the cleansing, I do the lavender rose water, and either some beauty oil or a mask of some sort. So this is same kind of boosters. I think I did firming, pore minimizing, and hydrating. Like those are my go-to because that's my biggest issue. Is I really need it firm, and I need hydration because my skin is normally very dry. I'm gonna bring it down on my eyes and my neck. And that's what I do. I like to tell you I do it almost every day. Some days I forget because life gets crazy, but it has been a huge help in my skin and just like total difference from when I started using our products. So this month you can create your own bundle. We have some pre-packaged, predetermined like bundles for subscriptions and stuff, and you can get those. You can get the subscriptions every 1, 2, or 3 months, and you customize it to what you need. You put your boosters in there for based off of your needs of your skin. We have a quiz that kind of helps you figure that out. And then if you don't want to do the subscription, this month when you do a bundle, anything over $80 is 15% off each item. So we can build you a bundle and a special this month, and you can get 15% off of everything that's in your group if it's over $80. So I highly suggest your skincare routine to take it up a notch. If your makeup is not sitting on your skin well, if your makeup is not staying on all day, if it's, if you're having skin issues, if your skin is not taken care of, your makeup routine's not it's not gonna work. And I mean, this is the first time, like this lighting's terrible right here, but this is the first time that my face and my neck all match. I don't have any discoloration here. I don't have super major bags under my eyes like I did have. So that's good up there for some reason. But I want you guys to try out our skincare line. My mom did a month with it and saw some awesome changes in her skin. So if you're struggling with your makeup routine, let's talk about skincare. Let's get you started on a routine. It can be simple. Those 3 things, that's it. And I may or may not put on makeup today. I may just let my face kind of heal and hang out with all the stuff that I just put on there to kind of soak in. So let's get your skincare routine and take it up a notch.